So it's time to leave Gokarna. So I stayed here for 2 days, explored few things like the beaches, made some friends. Overall, it's a nice stay. I stayed in a hostel. It was giving a good sea view. So today, what's my plan is to go to Palolem, which is around 81 kilometers. I've already covered like 5-6 kilometers. So I have to take a national highway from here. I think the journey will be around 1.5 hours for covering 80 kilometers, and the weather is actually very sunny. So nothing much. I'll need to explore mainly South Goa side, and I hope there will not be any traffic on the way. Inside Goa right now. So it's showing like a 6.5 kilometers from here to the place which I'm going to stay here. So it took me around 1 hour. The only problem was the climate is too hot here, and since it's a tropical side, I'm feeling the real humidity. Today morning I went for a sunrise trek in Gokarna. So it covered 4 beaches. First we started from the hostel, then we reached Belican beach. From there we took a way through the sides of that mountain, I mean the cliff, to reach Paradise Beach. From there to Half Moon Beach, and the trek completed in Om Beach. So after that I went back to the hostel, took a shower, had my breakfast, and just started riding. So yesterday I came here, took some rest. Today morning actually I'm heading to one of the beach called Om Beach. See, so this is what Gokarna is. That side is the sea. So we are going there. I'm going to stay here for 4 days. Then I will be going back to Bangalore. So while going back, I have some plans. Let's see if that works out. Actually, it's 580 kilometers from Goa to Bangalore. So that's a straight highway through Chitradurga, but I'm not going to take that road. Sometimes I will take a Shimoga route. So I have to take a left showing Canacona and Palolem. So we'll catch you later.